At what height from the surface of Earth the gravitational potential and the value of G are minus 5.4 into 10 raised to 7 joule per kilogram and 6 meter per second square respectively. Take the radius of Earth as nothing but 6,400 kilometers. So we can just observe the value of gravitational potential. So at what height from the surface? So we know that the equation for gravitational potential energy is minus of Gmm divided by r, where r is the distance from the center of Earth. So this value over here, it is given as nothing but minus 5.4 into 10 raised to 7. So we can find out what about the value of this r over here. So the gravitational potential on the surface is given. So this is equation for potential energy. So the value of potential is minus of Gm divided by r, which is given as minus 5.4 into 10 raised to 7. And we know the equation for this gravitational field. So the equation for gravitational field is equal to nothing but Gm divided by r square. So the value of Gm by r square is given as nothing but 6 into 6 meter per second square. Now if you are dividing these two equations, like equation number 1 divided by equation number 2, so we can just find out the value of r over here, because v divided by g is equal to Gm by Gm by r square. So Gm and r get cancelled. So this r will be equal to, we can take it as nothing but 5.4 into 10 raised to 7 divided by 6, which is 0.9 into 10 raised to 7, or you can write the value of r as equal to nothing but we can write it in terms of kilometers, that is 0.9 into 10 raised to 3 into 10 raised to 4. So if you are multiplying with 4, we can write 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 9,000 into 10 raised to 3 meter, which we can take it as kilometer. So it is at a distance of 9,000 kilometer from the center of Earth, because we find out the value of r. So we can find out the value of h, that is the distance from the surface, that is equal to 9,000 minus the radius of Earth. So which we can take it as nothing but 6,400 kilometers, which will be equal to 2,600 kilometers.